Let me tell you a story about greed. A long time ago, a farmer by the name Haridatta lived in a small farm near a big town. He saw a serpent that came out of an anthill. He was so frightened. So he thought that it might be the guardian of the field. And because he did not give any homage to the snake, the farm did not yield any sort of product. So he went running back home and he brought a bowl of milk and he offered to the giant serpent. The serpent leaned to the bowl of milk and drank. The next day, when he came to plough the farm, he found a coin of gold in the bowl of milk. He was so happy to see that. So it became regular that he serves the serpent a bowl of milk every other day, and then he finds a coin of gold. The farmer had something to do in a far town, so he had to go for a few days. So he gave the job to his son to serve a bowl of milk to the serpent. The next day, the son served a bowl of milk to the serpent that came out of the anthill, and the day after he found a coin of gold. And because greed is in the human nature, he thought, well, if I go to the anthill, it must be full of gold. So if I kill the snake, I will get all of the gold. So he served the serpent a bowl of milk. And while the serpent was leaning to drink, the boy struck the snake with a wooden stick. The serpent managed to escape the blow of the stick and bit the boy to death. When the father came back, he grieved a lot. So he went to the anthill and summoned the serpent. The serpent said, well, I know that your greed brought you back here to me. And that is the same reason that I bit your son. Now, neither can I forget the blow of the stick, nor can you forget the pain I caused because of the death of your son. So it's best for us to part ways. The serpent gave a diamond to the farmer, and she told him not to come back again. And since that time, the farmer didn't go to the anthill, and the serpent was never seen again. Greed, my friends, can cause death in some circumstances. Have a great day.